Hi, friends! Welcome to Word Wonders. My name is Attaboy, and together we'll learn how to pronounce. We'll learn 5 words today. Yay! I am excited! Are you? Come, let's meet our chef, Miss Sugar, in the kitchen. Hello, Miss Sugar! Today, me and my friends want to learn to pronounce few kitchen items.
Hi, Addie and friends. Sure, why not? Let's get to it. So, friends, do you know what is this? Correct. Whisk. Let's say it slowly. Whisk. A whisk is used to mix eggs, batter, and sauces quickly. So, friends, do you know what is this? Correct. Potato masher. Let's say it slowly. Masher. A potato masher helps smash potatoes into soft, fluffy mash. So, friends, do you know what is this? Awesome! Spatula. Let's say it slowly. Spat-ula. A spatula helps flip pancakes and spread frosting on cakes. So, friends, do you know what is this? That's right. Spaghetti spoon. Let's say it slowly. Spaghetti spoon. This spoon has holes and prongs to pick up spaghetti easily. So, friends, do you know what is this? Correct! Skimmer. Let's say it slowly. Skimmer. A skimmer is used to scoop out food from hot oil or water.
So, friends, today we learned to pronounce 5 kitchen items. See you in the next class for more words. Please, like and subscribe to keep learning.